Why yes, it is my birthday. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells. And I don't know about where you live, but it's cold down here in Atlanta. So I was in the mood to make some white bean chicken chili. Vegan style, of course. Let's get started. Sorry to interrupt. Before we start the recipe, this video was completely inspired by Cosori. They sent me their premium multi-cooker and I jumped on the chance to immediately make something with it. And I was like, ooh, soup. I actually did my cauliflower mac and cheese all in this pot. Like I sauteed it, steamed it, simmered it, all that stuff. I still had to use the oven for the final product, but this is amazing. It has multi-functions. I'll show you, you'll see more, but it has a rice, yogurt, steam, boil, it just multi-function to it. It comes with a cookbook, a steam rack. Guys, I recommend this and you're gonna see for yourself as the video continues. Cosori, I hope I'm saying it right. Chocolate Vegan approved. Let's do this, guys. Plug her on up. All right, I'm going to turn it to saute. For our chicken, we're going to be using green jackfruit. I've already rinsed it and drained it. Now you notice I did not cut these up like I usually would, and that is because I want to see how the slow cooker can make it so soft it'll shred like chicken. Let's season it up. 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, some salt, pepper. Y'all gotta get you one of these mini choppers. I mean, it is a lifesaver. In here I have 1 onion and about 4 cloves of garlic. Give all that a little stir. Now we're gonna add in our beans. It can't be a white bean chicken chili without, well, it ain't chicken in here either, so. Whole can. 1 whole can of green chilies, no need to drain. Ooh, this smells so good, y'all. Ooh, this smells so good. 1 whole tub of vegan cream cheese. All right, now we're gonna add our vegetable broth. I just wanna add enough to cover the whole thing. Let's do 3 whole cups. That's enough to cover our whole mixture. Last but not least, we're gonna add in some fresh cilantro. Y'all thought I was gonna throw in them stems. Y'all tried it. I was just showing you the cilantro. Little handful, cup your hand, little hand. Look at that, ooh, ooh. Switch her to simmer. It's gonna see 4 hours. Gonna hit start. Give her another little stir. All right, we'll be back to check on the soup in about 2 hours. I know y'all was yelling at me. I'm on the phone like, yeah, I'm cooking or whatever. It's in the slow cookers. It's cooking right now. Y'all, we ain't put no corn in there. We did not. A whole can, 15 ounce of corn, whole kernel, drained. As you can see, it's been 2 hours. So let's check on our soup. Smells incredible. All right, I wanna check on the jackfruit in particular. Look how easily that shreds, y'all. I'm hardly putting any pressure on the fork. All right, so I'm gonna go through and shred the jackfruit up. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and turn her off and also give her a taste at the same time. See if we need to add anything, take away. You can't take anything away. We've already ruined it if it's bad. That is so good. Maybe a little bit more salt, but that is so good. Oh my gosh. I'm actually gonna add a little bit more cumin as well. My original plan was to make bread bowls from scratch, and then I just was not in the mood. Like, how dare I do a slow cooker recipe where it's like no stove, no mess, and then make bread bowls and make a mess in my kitchen. I wasn't trying to hear that. So, here we go. Here comes Pillsbury to the rescue. And we just gonna bootleg this thing on out. It's okay. Just follow the directions, roll the bread out, roll them in the balls, and voila, we got homemade bread bowls. Alright, when this cools off, guys, I'm gonna pick a little bit more bread out, but right now I'm literally burning my fingers. Just ladle in some soup. Oh, 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 okay. Y'all, this one leaking. It's leaking. Lord. Alright.
It's bread. Bread can't do no wrong.
Alright, I'm gonna get a piece of jalapeno because I'm a gangster. This is fresh. It ain't that hot. Alright guys, I have my lovely omnivore friend. Introduce yourself.
Hey guys, I'm John.
Yes, I'll have his Instagram and maybe Facebook or whatever you want me to put down here. The reason I chose white chicken chili is he told me he made it from like a coworkers or something like that, right?
Yeah, correct.
And I was like, ooh, that sounds really good. I'm copying it and I'm putting it in my video. He was like, that's fine. So since they loved his version, who better to taste my version than the one?
Me.
There you go. I couldn't bring it back around, y'all. I couldn't bring it back around.
Just looking at it, it looks identical to my recipe, so that's good.
You taste with your eyes a little bit first.
Yeah, so I'm like, it looks yummy. Okay. Girl. Oh, yes, for the king. The king hit me, y'all. Come on. This is very good. I'm getting another spoonful because I didn't have the chicken in my first bite.
Okay. See if you can guess what the chicken is.
Mmm.
Oh, not a kick. Oh, that
yes, the kick got me. Girl, in comparison, this tastes identical.
Okay.
It's a little more creamier than mine, which is better because mine needed to be creamier. So it's good. Hey, honey, I could actually take this to work and they wouldn't know that
switched it out.
Yes.
So that's jackfruit. I cannot.
Girl, am I vegan now?
Ooh. We did it, y'all. High five. I can't.
Girl.
As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. And wish your girl happy birthday. And I'll see you next time. Peace.